Schooling Juniors. Let's learn some colors. Orange color, red color, sky blue color, light green color, dark blue color, dark green color, purple color, black color, pink color, yellow color, brown color. Let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. Heart, Pentagon, triangle, square, star, circle, red color, light green color, yellow color, pink color, sky blue color, orange color, heart, pentagon, triangle, square, star, circle. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.